Hello guys, welcome back to Prepstan YouTube channel. My name is Mohammad Akbar and I am back with another brand new video. Guys, आज की वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं पाकिस्तान इकोनॉमी एमसीक्यूज का पार्ट 2। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Question number 21. Current monetary policy rate in Pakistan is option A 8.2%, option B 9%, option C 9.75% and option D 11%. And the answer is C 9.75%. Question number 22. Dash is called an economic system of self-sufficiency and limited trade. Option A mixed economy system, option B command economic system, option C autarky and option D none of these. And the answer is C autarky. Question number 23. Dash economic system is prevailing in Pakistan. Option A mixed economy system, option B capitalistic economy system, option C socialistic economic system and option D traditional economic system. And the answer is A mixed economic system. Question number 24. Generally standard of living is measured by option A GNP, option B GDP, option C real GDP per capita and option D GNI. And the answer is C real GDP per capita. Question number 25. Ultimate burden of tax is known as option A impact government, option B shifting of tax, option C tax incidence and option D all of the above. And the answer is C tax incidence. Question number 26. What is per capita sugar consumption in Pakistan? Option A 18 kg, option B 21 kg, option C 25 kg and option D 29 kg. And the answer is C 25 kg. 27. Pakistan Industrial Development Corporation was established in option A 1948, option B 1950, option C 1952 and option D 1954. And the answer is C 1952. Question number 28. National development is a process of advancement in option A education sector, option B agriculture sector, option C industrial sector and option D all of the above. And the answer is D all of the above. Please read the explanation as well. 29. The current literacy rate of Pakistan is option A 40%, option B 50%, option C 60% and option D 70%. And the answer is C 60%. Question number 30. Which sector generally involves changing the natural resources into primary resources? Option A primary sector, option B secondary sector, option C tertiary sector and option D quaternary sector. And the answer is A primary sector. Question number 31. In Pakistan economy, which sector provides the largest employment rate? Option A industry sector, option B services sector, option C agriculture sector and option D none of these. And the answer is C agriculture sector. Question number 32. The agriculture share in GDP of Pakistan is around option A 16.5%, option B 19.19%, option C 21.50% and option D 23.7%. And the answer is B 19.19%. Question number 33. Rank of Pakistan by population in the world is option A 3rd, option B 4th, option C 5th, and option D 6th. And the answer is C 5th. Question number 34. Government taxing and spending policy is called option A fiscal policy, option B budget, option C monetary policy, and option D finance policy. And the answer is A fiscal policy. Question number 35. The ratio between total consumption and total income is known as option A average propensity to save, option B average propensity to consume, option C marginal propensity to consume, option D marginal propensity to save. And the answer is B average propensity to consume. Question number 36. To ensure a nation's economy remains healthy, credit money of the country is controlled by option A industrial bank, option B agriculture bank, option C central bank, and option D commercial bank. And the answer is C central bank. Question number 37. Qualitative methods of monetary policy do not include option A direct actions, option B bank rate policy, option C publicity, and option D moral persuasion. And the answer is B bank rate policy. Question number 38. Main import partner of Pakistan is option A China, option B United Arab Emirates, option C America, and option D Singapore. And the answer is A China. Question number 39. Total cultivated area of Pakistan is option A 18.1 million hectares, option B 22.1 million hectares, option C 24.1 million hectares, and option D 26.1 million hectares. And the answer is B 22.1 million hectares. Question number 40. Dash is not a tool of fiscal policy. Option A government expenditure, option B taxation, option C transfer payments, and option D bank rate. And the answer is D bank rate. Hope guys you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.